Another one. Binghamton issued an SVR. It's right here. Let's go. Let's go.
Until 8 p.m. At 6:54 p.m. Wireless connection zone moving 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Source: enforcement has reported numerous trees and wires
Law
in
enforcement.
Luzerne County. Locations impacted include Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Dunmore, Kingston, Plains, Avondale, Oldfort, Brookville, Kingston.
Let's go.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Binghamton.
Dude, the signal here.
Damaging wind and continuous cloud to ground. Local beach patrols first. Nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Heavy rainfall is occurring in storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Severe thunder. www.weather.gov/.